Hey, hi guys. So, hope you are all doing good. I'm sorry, I'm recording in Skype. So basically, my application which I use to screen record and share my video is not working. So we are in the third session. So in previous sections, we saw what are the tools we use in Java, what are the advantages of Java, and uh, what is the scope if we learn Java. So those are the things which we discussed in previous sessions. So in this session, we are going to discuss if you are going for an interview, that is for a Java developer interview. So what are the concepts you should be aware of? So basically, that is our topic today. So concepts you need to know before interviews. Okay, so that is in Java. Okay, let me mention concepts in Java. Okay, perfect. So this is our topic. So basically, if you ask me, so before applying for any interview, I would recommend just go through the job description basically. So definitely every employer, they will give the job description. So what are the requirements and what are the things these employees going to work, and basically what are their expectations on this role. So I would recommend you to go through that description, and I would suggest you at least prepare for those concepts. 70 percentage. So I can't say 100 percentage, because for example, the interviewer may have given 40 technical requirements. In those you have maybe okay, don't go for 40 because it will be a high number, just for 7. Okay, so interviewer have given 7 technical requirements. In those, you know 5, but you know 5 and you have experience in 5, and you don't have any knowledge or experience in 6 and 7. So I would recommend you to go through 6 and 7, and you can frankly say interviewer that I have knowledge on these concepts, and I don't have experience, but I'm loving to work on these two concepts. Are you getting my point? So I will suggest you to get the knowledge on those. So basically, recruiter's mindset will be like, if we train them, will he able to cope up on these two concepts or not? So every recruiter's mindset will be like that. So uh, that is the thing I would recommend before applying any job. Okay. So next thing is like, coming back to our point, concepts in Java you need to before in attending any interviews. So basically, the job description, if you thorough on those job description, there is a 75 percentages chances of getting hired. So for 25 percentage, you make sure that you know all these concepts, whatever I'm telling now. So basically, I'm going to split these this topic into 3 sections. So like 0 to 1 year experience, then 1 to 2, then 2 plus. So this comes under like a fresher category. This will be considered as fresher category, and this will be like intermediate, this is like somewhat intermediate between intermediate and expert. So yeah, we can judge these two sections. Basically, we can judge these two sections around 80 percentage, but whereas this section is very important because we can judge around 40 percentage or 45 percentage, I'm not sure, because this is the place where major employees comes under. So some recruiters expect their employees to be an individual contributor. So there are some of them, they will ask you to like they will ask you to code review, peer reviewing, peer coding. Okay, so coming back to our first topic, like 0 to 1 year. So basically, the employers can ask you some logical programs based on real world example like Fibonacci series, some arithmetic operations, or patterns, pattern matching programs, or like any arithmetic operations using arrays, using even they can go for collections. So in this category you need to know these topics, especially like uh, pattern matching using loops and conditional statements. Loops and conditional statements. Then especially collections, arrays. Then sorry, I forgot about oops. This is the most important concept in Java. So especially they will ask for oops. Then even they can ask for handling, exception handling. So strings, concepts in strings like string builder and string buffer. So these are some of the intermediate concepts basically in Java. So pattern matching is a very easy concept. So very basic concept, and whereas oops is also very basic concept. But whereas collections, arrays, some of the concepts like exception handling, then strings, using strings like string builder and string buffer. These are some of the intermediate concepts in Java. Also, they will ask for very important topic like wrapper classes. Wrapper classes, especially they will ask because those are the concepts which we can convert one data type into another data type. So if you are applying for 1 to 2 years experience in guy, so like you need to know uh, JDBC, Java database connectivity, then multi-threading, then some may ask like features of Java, that is nothing but Java 8. So Java 8 has we have many important concepts in Java 8 like stream API, functional interface, lambda expression, then optional class. So if they definitely ask for these concepts, then they may ask like file handling. So they also may ask for programs like they ask you to code the programs using string. So like for example, get an employee ID whose first name is like India in a list of string. The list may be like any list, array list or linked list. So you need to write a program for this. So these are some of the advanced programs they may ask. So I think I have completed this session, this section, sorry. What else? Anything I have left? Yes, they can also ask how you are handling exceptions in your project. Exception handling in your project. So yeah, this is fine. I think this is the pretty much for this section. Okay, where is that? Yeah. So this is the third section. This is the most important section. So basically, here they will ask basic Java and advanced Java, which we intermediate Java, sorry. So intermediate Java, which we mentioned in these two sections, plus some of the concepts like frameworks. They may have requirements related to frameworks and J2E, then like web-based web technologies, which is in Java, a technology using Java, then ORM tools, then what else? ORM tools, then cloud-based technologies like AWS, then I think that's it. I think so. These are the concepts you need to know. Maybe CI/CD pipeline you need to know here. Yeah. So that's it. So I will again suggest you that these are just uh, my assumption, and I also collected these data from my colleagues for this topic. I request you to go through the job description and you kindly prepare on those topics. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.